All right, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So today's vlog is gonna be a little different. I started off with a couple things here. Number one, I started my marketing up again. I know what you're thinking. Danny, I thought you were always marketing. Yeah, that's true. At this point, we were only doing mail for a couple of weeks, only to play catch up on some of the leads that we had. And if you notice that my vlogging equipment is a little different today, I decided to use my GoPro. Just because it's it's a hassle sometimes setting up my big camera, and since I'm gonna be on the go, might as well prepare myself for vlogging on my GoPro because my big camera is enormous. So I'll show you real quick what it looks like. Also had to grab some of the Pellegrino, that way we can get our day started. But this is my big rig. This is what I like vlogging on when I'm not in public because it is massive. This in conjunction, oh crap. Oh. This thing is not really, the best vlogging equipment to being, inconspicuous, because then people start pointing and they're like, oh my God, he's shooting a vlog. This, you can't even see this, but my mic is right here. You could probably tell my shirt has a little bit of a thingamajig on it, but as far as like what I look like, let me see if I can see. It's a pretty easy little setup. So I gotta go return a toilet. So I cranked up the marketing, cranked up my ringless voicemail output right now. And then my text messaging, I still haven't sent it out, but tomorrow it's gonna start. I wanted to vlog today just because I kind of wanted to let this serve as kind of like a mile marker in what we're gonna do, because I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff that I haven't done before. And I feel like being able to see this progress in the future is gonna be pretty cool to see. But I also have to go return a toilet that's broken so I can deliver it to Salisbury, and I gotta cut a check to my contractor. So let's move along and let's go get this toilet and see what the rest of the day brings. Here we go with the toilet. Okay, I got a freaking doorknob over here. But in here, I think the toilet top, there we go. I think the actual physical lid is broken on it. So I'm gonna take this thing back, and I'm not even gonna bother with that box, but take it back, see if we can get a refund on this toilet, or at least an exchange, which I'm pretty sure we can, because I bought these toilets like not even 10 days ago. So let's go see what they say. Tell you right now though, if you're in the market to buy a truck, don't buy one unless you really need one. And these gas prices, they're killing me. I put diesel the other day, which I gotta put some fuel right now, because actually I am extremely low. I'm rolling on a quarter of a tank. I'm putting diesel at like $5.40 a gallon, $5.60 a gallon, almost $6 a gallon. That is like literally double what I've ever put in this truck. Like usually I would fill it up with like 70 bucks. Right now I'm putting $125, and that's not even a full tank. It's not even a freaking full tank. So with that being said, if you don't need a truck, don't buy one. But in my case, I need a truck. I can't do this business without one. I mean, I probably could, but I find it more convenient, have a truck. I don't have to rely on anybody. If I need to move something, I move it. Nobody complaining, other than me, of course. It's no joke, man. $5.49 for diesel. Now watch this thing take my money all day. See you later, gas station. Got my toilet.
They don't want to give around the kids.
Yeah, they take low.
All right, so I got the toilet. It was an easy exchange. All it was swapping it out for the exact same toilet. Now I'm off to go deliver this toilet and cut a check to my guy that's been working on that property in Salisbury, and also see how many RVMs that have gone out today. So this RVM campaign, we're doing 3 RVMs in one day. and then giving a 15-day break, and then giving 3 RVMs over a 3-day period versus 3 RVMs all in one day, to see how that works out. At this moment, RVMs work pretty good. We get like a 3% response rate, so hopefully we can get a better response rate and see if we can stir up some deals. All right, finally we got here. This house sometimes has been a real pain, especially right now. I'm trying to get the power turned on, and Rowan County is dumb. So apparently you have to pull a permit if the house hasn't had a meter on it in a while. And look, this is ridiculous. It's been 3 weeks trying to get a meter on this house. No meter. No meter whatsoever. It's been like that since who knows what or when. But I want to get the meter on, get the electricity turned on, because I got to replace this HVAC. This unit, it was vandalized and somebody tried to steal it. See, some of the lines are cut. And I bought the house like that. Inside, they took the whole interior unit. They took it apart and they stole all the coils. So it needs to be replaced. That unit needs to be replaced. You know, the unit's like 20 years old and it's done. I also want to replace the water heater, and I don't want to do it while the electricity's off here. So it's like a humongous waste of time. Rowan County wants you to pull a permit. Then after you pull the permit, Duke Energy says, okay, you got to have a building inspection. Then you get the building inspection. Then they'll put a meter on it within 3 to 5 business days. It's been, let me think, I'm gonna say 10 days since the inspection was completed, and nothing. You know, these guys are still using a generator to do any of the work, which, again, huge waste of time for them, huge waste of time for me, and it's holding us back from completing this project, which I want to get it done because I want to get it rented out. But, you know, I guess there's nothing I can really do about it. But I'm gonna get this toilet over here. This house is looking pretty good though. It's almost done. Very satisfied. You guys have gotten to see a few glimpses of it. It's clean. The outside, I think, no, they still gotta pressure wash this thing outside, and I still gotta cut down some of these trees. But overall, as a matter of fact, did they put my mailbox up? No, they haven't put my mailbox up. They threw away the old mailbox though. As far as marketing goes, so we sent out 50 RVMs today, or we put 50 people into the RVM campaign. So they got 3 phone calls each. I actually got 1 lead out of it. I should have turned on the camera while I was talking to her, but I was driving. She has like, I don't remember, like 6 or 7 lots, a few large lots, like 5-6 acre lots, and she wanted an offer on it. Hopefully we can put something together for her. I think she said that some other wholesalers have reached out to her in the past. She gets letters in the mail all the time for like $4,000 or $5,000. And she's like, that's, you know, an insult to offer me that little bit of money for, you know, such a large piece of property. So we're gonna see what we can do and what we can offer her. And I think we got 2 other people that called back off of those RVMs, which is pretty good. Out of 50 people that we've sent RVMs to get a response rate like that, that's pretty decent. It's like between 1 to 3%. I've gotten as high as 10%. It just depends on the list and how many times you RVM them. Usually when you RVM them like 3-4 times in one day, you get a pretty good response rate. You know, so far so good. Whoa. These guys went and ended up cleaning up in here, and it looks good. It looks really good. Floor is super, super clean. Kind of was not expecting that when I came in here, but yeah, it looks really, really good. Hopefully, we can get the power turned on, get the AC running, and this place will be ready to roll. But yeah, these guys did an amazing job. It looks really nice. I'm really happy it got cleaned up finally. And these guys put the transition molding in. Got transition molding in. They cleaned up the floor a little bit. Looks like, you know, somebody probably tracked back. Actually, no, they didn't clean the tile. They only mopped up the other floor, I guess, because it was, you know, causing a mess. This is what I was talking about earlier. The whole air conditioning unit is it's missing. There's nothing there. This project though, I'm actually pretty happy with it. What is this? This is just a transition piece. Man, what a good match too. That's actually not the correct transition piece, but the color matched up pretty good. But yeah, all the rooms looks awesome, man. I'm happy with it. Then hopefully my toilet will go in and it'll look as good as my other toilet right there. And it looks great. My jacuzzi tub needs to get cleaned up. It's kind of dirty. Again, not replacing it. It's a rental. You know, why would I? I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna enjoy the heck out of this house. It's clean. It's probably one of the cleanest houses in this whole neighborhood. Who knows? Now that everything's locked up, let's go ahead and close up shop here. Get on our way.